I think Uber is presenting an opportunity of a life. Now, normally in a pullback like this, I would tell you to go for high flyer stocks like the Mag 7 or something like that are depreciated faster than what they're worth. But Uber has been a company that has been undervalued for a very long time. And the only reason is a false narrative thesis that once Waymo comes out, that once Tesla's self-driving car comes out, that they will eat Uber's business. It's not happening. A company that has 150 million active users and have habits of using Uber for their driving needs, it is going to be very difficult for anyone to break those habits. So Uber had the first movers advantage and the competitive moat to not only compete but to dominate in this industry. Here's another thing, they're becoming profitable much faster than even Wall Street expected, while the stock price continues to be suppressed. 500% increase in profitability. Now remember, they were unprofitable for a very long time, but to have this kind of turnaround is a positive and a bullish signal. This company is super mature, but yet still it increases revenue by 18% every year, and this is expected to last another 3 years. If you took out the sentiment, let's say the negative sentiment doesn't exist, let's say robotaxi isn't a issue or a concern, this stock is worth anywhere from 120 to 150. Everyone is pricing in a bearish catalyst that doesn't even exist yet. And here's another thing, they are actively working with EV makers like Rivian and AI juggernaut Nvidia to develop their own fleet of cars that they can use on the Uber system. Now, granted, this is going to be really bad for drivers, and I am sympathetic, but that's the market we're going into, where self-driving cars will become a part of our ecosystem and our economy. Now, buying this stock, even at this price, you are going to over 2x your return, but the stock might actually hit $85, and that is when it becomes too cheap to ignore. Basically, you're almost guaranteed an over 2x return. Even if they just sell, the business is worth more than the market cap of the company. You don't get opportunities like this ever. Basically, when I did my analysis at CommonInvestor.net, I was getting 185 for bear case and 250 for a bull case, and even an extreme bull case, I was getting $500. Now, that's an extreme bull case. We'll ignore that. But the point is that even in a bone dry, nothing happens with this company, and just the sentiment shift will give you an easy 2x return on this company. I don't think you have much to lose going into this company. And again, this is CommonInvestor.net. That's why I'm so confident, because I have a price behind my thesis. And if you don't have a price behind a thesis, it is a guess, and guesses lose you money in the long term. So try out this site, but god damn, give Uber a shot.